Number 1, professional cuddling. This might be the most shocking side hustle yet, but it's a real service in many cities. Professional cuddlers get paid to offer non-romantic platonic touch therapy to clients, often in the form of sessions that involve hugging, hand-holding, or simply being a comforting presence. Companies like Cuddle Comfort and Cuddlist help match cuddlers with clients who might be experiencing loneliness, stress, or anxiety. Sessions typically pay anywhere from $60 to $100 per hour, and with regular clients, it's entirely possible to bring in $1,000 a month. This side hustle isn't for everyone, but for those comfortable with it, it offers an unexpected, fulfilling way to make extra money. Make sure to like and subscribe for more side hustles and financial strategies. It also helps with the algorithm. Now on to number 2, renting out storage space. Do you have an extra closet, attic, garage, or basement? Perhaps an empty corner in a home you own or rent? In cities or busy suburbs, people often pay a premium for secure storage that isn't as costly as a commercial storage facility. Sites like Neighbor.com allow you to rent out unused space to people needing extra room for their belongings. You'd be surprised how many people are eager to pay monthly to store seasonal items, extra furniture, or business inventory. By listing on these platforms, you're not just offering a safe, convenient alternative to high-priced storage facilities, you're also setting yourself up for a solid passive income stream. Some hosts report making over $500 a month on just a single garage space or large closet. And if you have more than one space, hitting the $1,000 mark is more than achievable. And here's the kicker: you barely have to lift a finger. The renter will handle their own items, and you're simply giving them a spot to keep it all. It's a win-win. Number 3, online content repurposing. This might sound like something only the big players do, but in reality, anyone with a knack for research and a little bit of creativity can make this side hustle work. Here's the concept. Countless small businesses, bloggers, and influencers are creating content daily, but few have the time to repurpose their work across multiple platforms. They might have an amazing blog post, but it's just sitting there instead of being turned into a YouTube video, a podcast, or a series of social media posts. This is where you come in. Offer a service to take one piece of content and transform it into 5 or more new formats, extending its reach without creating anything from scratch. Imagine converting a 10-minute YouTube video into an engaging blog post, a series of Instagram stories, and a TikTok teaser. Not only does this save content creators time, but it also maximizes the value they get from each piece they produce. With each client, you could easily charge $250 for a package that repurposes a single piece of content, just for clients. And you're already looking at $1,000 a month. Plus, it's a flexible business. You can work on it in your spare time, scaling up or down based anytime you. Number 4, personal delivery. For those who enjoy spending time outdoors, consider a gig as a personal errand service or local micro-delivery person. With people constantly juggling multiple responsibilities, the demand for local errands is skyrocketing. Picture this: businesses, working parents, and elderly individuals who need a hand with daily tasks like picking up groceries, making returns, or delivering packages to local post offices. Unlike the typical food delivery gig, where you're driving around all day, this allows you to take on a limited number of requests within a small area, often on your own schedule. Apps like TaskRabbit make it easy to find people in your neighborhood willing to pay for these kinds of services. You could make anywhere from $15 to $30 per task, and with a few regular clients, you could quickly reach $1,000 each month. It's not only a way to make extra cash, but it's also an opportunity to connect with your community and help people who truly need a little extra support. Number 5, virtual bookkeeping. This is gaining traction as businesses look for remote talent to manage their finances. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and willing to learn, bookkeeping could be a perfect fit, even if you don't have a finance background. Software like QuickBooks and Xero are designed to make bookkeeping accessible, offering tutorials and certifications that allow beginners to get up to speed quickly. Many small businesses can't afford a full-time bookkeeper, but they're more than willing to pay a part-time one. By handling tasks like tracking income, managing expenses, and creating monthly financial reports, you can easily charge $250 to $500 per month per client. Even with 2 clients, you'd be well on your way to making that extra $1,000 monthly. The best part? Bookkeeping tasks can be done in your spare time. And as you gain more clients, you have the flexibility to either take on more work or increase your rates. Number 6, pet waste removal. This is a little out there, but in urban areas, Pet ownership is at an all-time high, and not everyone has the time or the desire to clean up after their pets. By offering a service that takes care of this messy job, you'd be surprised how quickly you can build a customer base. Pet waste removal services are actually in high demand, especially in apartment complexes or neighborhoods with strict rules about lawn upkeep. This job requires minimal equipment, gloves, bags, and a sturdy scooper, but offers high returns. Charging $15 to $20 per visit per yard can easily add up, especially when clients are booking weekly cleanups. Number 7, renting out your car for peer-to-peer car sharing services. If you own a car that sits unused for part of the week, you could turn it into a serious income generator. Services like Turo and Getaround allow you to list your vehicle for rent on a daily or hourly basis, catering to people who need a car temporarily or want a specific type of vehicle for a short trip. For instance, many urban dwellers or travelers might need a car for a weekend getaway or a day of errands. If you can rent out your vehicle even a few times a month, especially on weekends, you're looking at making around $50 to $100 per day, depending on the make and model. Maintaining a 5-star rating by ensuring the car is clean, fueled, and reliable will also help you attract repeat renters and higher-paying clients. In busy cities, many car owners are earning upwards of $1,000 a month this way with minimal daily involvement. Number 8, creating and selling digital printables. If you have a knack for design or an eye for organization, this side hustle can be both lucrative and incredibly flexible. Digital printables are popular items for anyone looking to streamline their life with planners, checklists, budgeting sheets, and calendars. Parents, teachers, and students often buy printables to help with schoolwork, meal planning, and home organization. You only need to create these once, and platforms like Etsy allow you to list and sell them indefinitely. Start by researching popular niches. For instance, budgeting tools, fitness trackers, or productivity planners are always in demand. With a well-designed set, you could sell each printable for $5 to $10 and generate passive income each month. Once your store is up and running, you're looking at a scalable side hustle that could bring in $1,000 a month or more with minimal upkeep. Number 9, selling raw materials to artists and crafters. This is lucrative, especially if you live in an area where you have easy access to materials like driftwood, sea glass, or pine cones. Nature-based materials are always in demand for crafters who create home decor, jewelry, and art pieces. For example, driftwood is often used to create rustic wall hangings or sculptures, while pine cones and seashells make great seasonal decorations. If you have access to these kinds of materials, you can collect, clean, and package them for sale on Etsy or even at local craft fairs. This side hustle requires little initial investment and is perfect for those who love spending time outdoors. Once you've collected and prepared your items, a few hours of work each week could turn into consistent sales. And with some repeat customers, it's not unrealistic to reach $1,000 a month. But here's the truth. None of these side hustles will mean a thing if you don't know the top 10 wealth killers that could silently sabotage your hard work. Watch the video on your screen right now to avoid these at all costs. Thanks for watching.